here inside the arena in San Juan City. And I think Jazz is ready to continue her report.
So apart from the skills that they have to improve the fighting spirit. Again, as coach said, huwag kayong matakot kasi sa takot, you end up doubting yourself. And apart from that, coach also mentions that he needs his libero Jan Galang to do her job and defend the team as he encouraged her and the team to execute their respective jobs and ask questions to learn from their mistakes, hoping to improve on their defense.
Thank you, Jazz. Well, aside from the new mindset, new winning tradition that Coach Francis Vicente wants to instill in the minds of his players, kailangan when they enter the game, dapat may kumpiyansa din sila at huwag sila matakot when they're facing winning teams with winning tradition like FEU and UST.
That's it. I think what's not going well also on NU's end is the fact that they're not able to snap out of an error easily. So makikita mo dyan, if they commit an error, dire-diretso yung error nila. And if you're a coach, what you want to see is a player who commits an error and when she gets another chance, will convert the point.
Yeah, and also when they go down early, just like what happened in the fourth set against UE in their last game, wag silang wag silang ma-discourage. Because when you have a great chance to finish a game, just like NU did against UE, winning 2-1, and then in the fourth set, UE came back, built a huge advantage. Wag silang ma-discourage. They should continue fighting until the end.
Well, let's see if there will be any changes with how the Navy Bulldogs will play here in the second set. So far, though, UST doing a good job in continuously taking the lead.
UST with a huge cushion here. A joust at the top is won by UST's Dimahulagan and Hirotsuji.
Well, Salibad has to be careful also when she sets up the ball because she has very tall blockers. In that case, sobra yung bola. The set was actually too close to the net. Very easy for Dimahulagan and Hirotsuji to block.
Well, this is Salibad's first season also as the full-time setter of NU, replacing Jocelyn Sullivan, who was the main setter last year. Okay, we have a timeout. Let's listen in on this NU huddle.
Ganito. Hey, imbis na ihatid nyo, gamitin nyo hita. Okay, anong sabi ko sa'yo nung last game natin? Huwag kang mabait sa kasama mo. Kung kailangan itulak mo hanggang doon sa dulo, tulak mo para maging madugas ka. Hindi kayo mananalo hanggat bumabait kayo dyan. Kailangan maging matapang kayo. Huwag kayong matakot. Taktan nyo yung kasama ninyo sa tamang gawain. Tingnan nyo yung score 13-4. Pwede pang manalo dyan kung magsisipag kayo ng maayos. Yan nyo. Receive tayo, receive.
Wow. What a fiery huddle there.
Well, I guess for Coach Francis, what he wants to see also from Salibad is yung, we know that setters really drive the game, diba? So you have to be able to get your teammates moving inside the court. Yung sinasabi niya, no? Kahit na kailangan mo silang itulak, do it if it's necessary.
Kahit sobrang layo yung set, kailangan daw habulin. 14-4. Huge lead for UST. There's Byron showing some of that fight that Coach Vicente has been asking for.
Ivy Giselle Perez to serve.
Ivy Perez now to serve for NU. Dimahulagan. Denied there was Hirotsuji. One more time for Banatikla over that double block, dug up nicely by NU. Oh!
No entry.
Dimahulagan thought she could outwit the NU defense, but Mina Aganon was there, so great presence of mind for Aganon.
That catching it at the last minute.
Ivy Giselle Perez to
Perez
serve.
once again. Setting to the left to Banatikla.
Oh, that was such a good defense.
Caballero to Perez.
Nice rally, and what a way to end it there for Judy Caballero.
Serving for the Lady Tigers, number 16, Jessie Lane De Leon.
Another rookie getting an opportunity here to show what she can do. Jessie Lane De Leon for UST, and UST gets a point there, and their lead remains at 10. Back with more UAP Volleyball with